Check it out, YouTube. I know y'all see this package I just got in today. We finna unbox this for y'all so we can see what's in here. I just got another package in. This is from Faded Culture. We just got another package in. This one's from Stylecraft and Gamma. I want to give a shout out to Babyliss. They've been hooking your boy up with these products. Y'all make sure to check out their website, babylesspro.com. Remember, when you're ordering anything off their website, you can use my discount code TANK10. Save yourself some money, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and open this up. SnapFx, okay. So we got a little booklet right here. Let's put that to the side. SnapFx limited edition. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it says limited edition on this thing. Check that out. Let's go. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Let's take out the trimmer first. Check it out. All right, check it out. We got the SnapFx limited edition. We got a gold and black trimmer right here, as y'all can see. So I'm assuming it's the same thing as the original SnapFx, just limited edition. You know, we got that gold and black on there. Let me go ahead and move this to the side. And then we also get the SnapFx clipper. So I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but your boy, he been using the SnapFx clipper for a minute, you know what I'm saying? It's charging up right now, but I've been using it since I got them. So we got an upgrade, you know what I'm saying? We got the gold upgrade. So check them out. The SnapFx clipper and trimmer limited edition, as y'all can see. So let's go ahead and take a look at this trimmer real quick. LED ring light battery indicator, DLC titanium standard tooth T-blade, snap in, snap out dual lithium battery system, snap on, snap off self-aligning magnetic hair pocket cover, high torque 7200 RPM brushless motor, all metal housing, knurled barbell grip, dual battery charging stand. So once again, that's the trimmer. And then the clipper, LED ring light battery indicator, gold titanium fade blade, zero gap adjustable, snap in, snap out, dual lithium battery system, snap on, snap off, self-aligning magnetic hair pocket cover, 5 detent taper control, high torque 6800 RPM brushless motor, all metal housing, knurled barbell grip, detent hanging hook, dual battery charging stand. So that is the clipper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for y'all so y'all can see what actually comes in here. Let me go ahead and take the top off for y'all. So as y'all can see, before I get into the actual unboxing, as y'all can see, hey, Babyliss be coming through with their packaging, bro. I know y'all know Babyliss be dropping some heat, but they packaging be on point also. But check it out. We opened up the box, now we can see the actual clipper and batteries. Once again, this is the trimmer first. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the trimmer. And why they always make this so difficult for me to take out? Especially when I'm doing an unboxing. Let me go ahead and take out this plastic. All right, so check it out. Here is the clipper in the base. Obviously, there's no battery in it. Let me go ahead and show y'all the trimmer. So this is how the trimmer looks outside of the box. We got the Gold FX blade on there. Looks like the original Gold FX, actually, just with a little bit of black. Pretty dope. So once again, we got the trimmer, and then we got one battery here, and then we got another battery here. And then as y'all can see, it does got the charging dock, but it's like tied into this bottom piece. Let me take this off. All right, so we took off the plastic. So as you can see, we got the charging dock. It does come with the plug, obviously. And then we do get a zero gapping tool. We get a screwdriver, a little cover for the trimmer. We get the manual, and then we get an extra cam follower. And that's basically what comes in the box for the trimmer. And now we're actually gonna unbox the clipper. So once again, dope casing by Babyliss, dope packaging. Let's go ahead and take this off. So as we take this off, we can see the clipper and the batteries. So check it out. Here is the SnapFx, the gold limited edition. Okay, I see what y'all doing, Babyliss. As you can see, we got the gold fade blade on there, and I'm glad they put the gold fade blade. I like fade blades personally. I know everybody doesn't, but you can easily swap that out if you don't like that. But check it out, here is the SnapFx Clipper, limited edition, fade blade, with the barbell grip, the click lever. You know how Babyliss does it. And then it does also come with 2 batteries. So check it out, here's 1 battery. And then we got the other battery here. So once again, we do also get the charging base where you can stick the batteries in, and the clipper comes with the charger. Well, it's not a charger, it's basically a plug, but let's put that to the side real quick. And then we do get the Babyliss premium guards. As y'all can see, it's gonna be a half all the way to a 6 guard. So a half, a 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we get that in there. And then we also get some oil. We get a blade cover, some brushes, extra can follower, and the pamphlet. But yeah, man, that's basically what comes in the SnapFx limited edition clipper and trimmer. Let me show them to y'all real quick. So I ain't put the batteries in yet, obviously, but check it out. Here is the clipper and trimmer, side by side together, as y'all can see. Once again, looks like the OG original Gold FX clipper and trimmer, or I'm sorry, clipper and trimmer, but it looks pretty dope, man. I'm excited to put these to use and let y'all know what I think. YouTube, check it out. I just got another package in. This is from Faded Culture, so we can go ahead and open this up, see what's in it. So shout out to Adrian and Sergio Barone, man. They done hooked your boy up. I met them at the 5-Star Barber Expo in San Antonio. Cool people, man. I really rock with them. But let's check out what they sent your boy. All right, check it out. I got some razor blades. What else we got? What else we got? We got some clay, some matte finish. That's good, man. I've been needing some clay. We also got some hair gel. Check that out. Man, they done hooked your boy up. What else we got in here? I got a card. Let's see what this card says. That's dope, man. They send a little postcard, or not a postcard, but they send you a card and it says, welcome to the what is it? It says, welcome to the culture. I don't know if y'all can see that due to the lighting, but check that out, man. That's pretty dope. And you know your boy got some other stuff in there. Let's go ahead and check out what else is in this bag. Check it out. This is how their stuff comes packaged, man. This is dope. This is like a nice, you can use this bag for other stuff. But let's go ahead and open this up. They done hooked your boy up. They done hooked your boy up. Check that out. We got a Faded Culture cape. Let's go, man, let's go. What else we got? We got a little smaller pouch. Let's go ahead and open this up. Hey, shout out to Faded Culture, man. They got, their packaging is dope, man. Like, I ain't seen no other company do it like this. We got a razor, well, a blade holder. Check that out. Let's go. Let's go. Man, shout out Faded Culture, man. We got some more stuff. We ain't done yet. Let's open up this bag right here. Oh, I don't want to get no hair on this. Check that out. Shout out Faded Culture, man. They done hooked your boy up. Let's go. And then I got one more item. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Man, hold up. But check that out, man. We got a Faded Culture tee. Let's get it, man. I want to give a big shout out to Faded Culture, man. They didn't have to send your boy anything. Once again, man, they hooked your boy up. They gave me a shirt, you know what I'm saying? Well, they gave me 2 shirts, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Faded Culture. They gave me a blade holder. They gave me some razor blades, some platinum razor blades. We got some hair gel. We got some matte clay. And then they hooked your boy up also with this cape. Faded Culture, man. If y'all are interested in any of this stuff, man, y'all can check out the website. I'll make sure to put the link in my description and in the comment section. I believe it's fadedculture.com. Pretty sure it's fadedculture.com, but if it's not, you know, the actual link's gonna be on the screen somewhere and in the description. But I just wanna say I appreciate y'all, man. I go check out their merch. They got a bunch of other stuff on the website, shirts, hats, all that good stuff, man. So y'all go ahead and check them out. We just got another package in. This one's from Stylecraft and Gamma, as y'all can see. I already opened it up. I was excited to open it, so I ain't opened it on camera, but y'all gonna see me unbox it here, so let's get it. Let's check this out. We got a cable block from Gamma, USB hub station with 3 charging ports. Y'all check that out. Y'all probably been seeing this on their Instagram page. I've been seeing it, but I ain't seen it in person. Simultaneously charge 3 devices from 1 power source. Great for stations with limited power outlet access. Cable block is ready to use when connected to a power source and LED indicator turns red. Used with magnetic mat station organizer, sold separately to keep tools in place and charging cords tangle free. Includes a 6-foot power cord. So we got that, but check it out. We also got something else. They also sent your boy the magnetic station organizer, what does it say? The magnetic mat station organization system. Y'all check that out. Let's go ahead and read the back. It's pretty dope, man. Secure magnetic strip. Magnetic strip securely holds 4 clippers or trimmers upright for space optimization. Heat and water resistant. Highest quality PVC won't warp or melt when exposed to heat. Mat is water resistant for cleaning. Metal bar for magnetic accessories. Metal bar secures magnetic guards or other accessories in place for easy visibility and organization. USB cable block, USB cable HUD sold separately, so that's this right here. Keeps 3 charging cords organized and tangled free, also compatible and fits perfectly. The 245 wireless charging expansion pad, sold separately also. So check it out. We can go ahead and open this up. Let's get this out of here. So check it out. This is the Gamma mat. As y'all can see, we got the magnetic strip right here. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but we got the magnetic strip right here. Let's see, let's put this thing, boom. As y'all can see, we're gonna put a clipper right there or a trimmer, you know, whatever you want. We're gonna put some trimmers and clippers up here so y'all can see this thing, boom. As y'all can see, we got 3 clippers on there. We can add 1 more. Let's add 1 more. Boom. We got 4 clippers / trimmers on the mat. And then let's go ahead and open up this up so we can see how this looks. So here is the charging pad, or not the charging pad, but the block. And then we get the power cord right here. So check it out, this is the power cord. So as you can see, you can connect USB plugs into here and charge your clippers or trimmers, because you know, most of the Stylecraft and Gamma tools take USB charging, so that's pretty dope. You can plug a USB cord into that and then charge your tool with it. But check it out, you just place the charging block right here. I'm gonna put this on my station so y'all can see it. Let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, so check it out. Here's the station. As y'all see, you see the charging block right here. We can connect up to 3 different cords. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go. But we can connect up to 3 different USBs. I have 1 plugged in right now just to show y'all. As y'all can see, it's charging the Stylecraft Instinct. And I got the Instinct trimmer right here, the Saber trimmer, and the Flex trimmer. And I still got the charging docks back there because I like to use the docks. But then I like that they sent you this metal bar. So the metal bar is held on by 2 magnets. There's a magnet right here on this side. And then there's a magnet on the opposite side. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. And you just set the metal bar on there. And then I have my Andis guards on there. The reason why I have my Andis guards on there, because I know y'all know your boy be using the Andis master blade on my Instincts. So I gotta use these guards for it. So that's pretty dope that they send this metal bar to place your magnetic guards. But if you also wanted to use your Stylecraft dubs, you can actually put those on there instead, like so. To each his own, it's all about preference, but me personally, I like the way the master blade works on my clipper. So I got this clipper with the master blade, and as y'all can see, I got the Andis master guards. All right, so once again, guys, we got the Gamma magnetic mat and the Gamma Plus cable block USB hub station. Got it on my station now, as y'all just seen right now. If you're interested in purchasing these products, I'm not sure what the price is, but I'll make sure to put the price somewhere on the screen. But remember guys, y'all can go to GammaPlusNA.com, use my discount code TANK10, that way you can save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But that's basically it for this video, YouTube. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.